morning. God, I missed some great trading opportunities this morning, but there may be an opportunity right here to go short the E-Mini S&P 500. I think we found a place of resistance. Let's take a look. I had some personal things I had to take care of at the open today, and it's frustrating because we had some just textbook trade setups this morning that I want to show you. First one was, look at this, market opened up higher, right? Opened up higher, traded in a trading range for a while, okay? That first half hour, right? So for those of you that have known me long enough, you know that the first half hour is a big indication of what to expect. So you need to wait for that first half hour. And once you get that break, as we got it right down in here, this was your selling opportunity right in here to go short based on something I like to call the first half hour breakout. So that was a good short to the downside, okay? And actually, a really good trade that I missed is right here. Look at that bullish engulfing pattern at the low of the day. Closed near the high. You had a very, very low risk trade by buying this market right in here. So you had the bullish engulfing pattern right here. Market pulled back. You could have entered right there with an initial catastrophic stop below the low of the day. So that was your risk. And look at that run up. You were expecting the market to run up at least to that 50 exponential, which is right, the 50 exponential, the hot pink line. And if you go a step further and draw your fibs from high to low, look at where the market rallied to. Okay, market rallied precisely to that 50% retracement from the high of the day to the low of the day. Look at that, 50% retracement right on top of that 50 exponential moving average. That is a beautiful, beautiful trade setup any way you cut it. Okay, textbook trade setup. So let's see, it's almost 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So the first trade today was when the market broke down through the low right in here. That was a great shorting opportunity. All the profit objectives were hit to the downside, okay? Dropped down to this low, rallied up, came back down, created this bullish engulfing pattern closing here. So anywhere in here, buying it, market did exactly what I would have anticipated, right? First objective hitting that 38.2. Second one being that 50%. And right here, right as the market rallied, that could have actually been a stop and reverse. So not only taking the majority, if not all your profits off the table from this buy, but to go short in here with an initial catastrophic stop slightly above the 60 of the entire day right there, okay? So selling it right in here, this is your R, that's your risk, and you're looking for the market to come down minimum right in here, all right? So again, I just walked in the door, thought I would push the Camtasia to record this for you, so hopefully you can learn something from today. And look at this, market's coming down exactly as anticipated here. So again, the first profit target from this short is right here, okay? Your initial catastrophic stop is slightly above the 60% retracement of the day. But now the way I see it is, look at, we've had two bars, 1 and 2, with lower highs and lower lows, making this what I like to call a pivot high. So what I do now is you would take that stop and move it down from where it wasn't originally, right in here, move it down to above the pivot high of 206 1/4 to 206 3/4. That is where the stop is now. So take a look at this trade setup in terms of reward to risk, right? This is your first profit target, and this is your stop on this trade now, right? And again, the entry was right in here as it was coming up to that 50, okay? Initial stop here. Now move down to above this high. And this is your first profit target. All right? Just wish I had been short, and I wish I took advantage of the short and the long, but again, I was not in the office. Just got in, but right after this turned from from a point where we would have been shorting this market. So hope that helps. Have a great day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.